What up, y'all? Shawnee from Junie. Today I'm coming at you with an unboxing of the Yeti microphone. I know we already have one on our channel, but Kwani got it. I don't have one for my PC, so I'm trying to stream it too. But ordered it. This was like $140 from Best Buy. Let's get this unboxing. Alright, change camera angles. About to get this unboxing, man. My knife. Got this on eBay. I think I said that last video. Over there. Blue Yeti. And it says blue on it. I would just talk about the damn color. I think that's to do with the brand too. Yeah, man. I just need a reason to use my knife. That's why, you know, because I can easily open that with my hands. But I got this knife now to put it to good use. Take this plastic off. It's a nice box, man. It's a real nice box. I wonder if you order a black one, would a black one be? I mean, would a box be black? I think it is. That's what Kwani had. That's cool if it's like that. That's cool. Got some tweezers right here. You know what I mean? Don't mind the crumbs. I'll be getting high as a motherfucker in this room. But that's a different story. Right here. Wait for myself. Man, I like the package of this. Because this is USB for the mic going to the computer. Press that to the side. Manual. Who reads those things, right? Here's the microphone itself. Just take it smooth, easy. I think I made this this mic is heavy, man. Dang. But I gotta say, this mic is sexy as fuck. Come on, it's upside down. Yeah, this mic is sexy. Look at that. That mic is sexy. It look like fucking Star Wars robot. I don't know what they called exactly, but look at this. This is crazy. They put the foam to protect the mic. Man, this is why Yeti is winning. I'm not gonna do a sound test. I just want to unbox it. But this is a beautiful mic, man. Oh shit! I'm about to fucking break my mic the first day. Yeah, this has been an unboxing of the Yeti Blue streaming microphone. I'll put the link in the description to Best Buy so you can get one if you want. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. There's plenty of content on the channel. We do everything, not just unboxing, not just games. We play ball, we smoke. We go start doing weed reviews. We're gonna start doing a lot of stuff on this channel. So make sure you show some love, thumbs up this video, and subscribe to the channel. Shawnee, peace.